The cryptocurrency market woke up today with surprising moves and decisions that could change the direction of the sector in the coming months. And that's exactly why you need to stay until the end of this video. Because I'm going to tell you the behind-the-scenes details that are moving Bitcoin right now and what could happen in the next few days. If you follow the crypto market or want to understand where the big players are taking the game, this video is for you. Go ahead and hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow and keeps me motivated to bring you high-quality daily content. And of course, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss anything, because here you will always be one step ahead. Let's start with a strategic shift that could completely reshape the global Bitcoin mining market. Chinese giants Bitmain, Canaan, and MicroBT, which together dominate over 90% of the global manufacturing of mining machines, are moving their factories to the United States. The goal? To bypass heavy trade tariffs and reduce dependence on China. This move isn't temporary. It has a structural impact that could reshape the entire mining supply chain and place the U.S. in an even more strategic position when it comes to controlling Bitcoin's infrastructure. This decision clearly shows that the big players are getting ready for a new growth cycle, focusing on geographic decentralization and stronger protection against potential sanctions. Meanwhile, on the macroeconomic front, Bitcoin continues to show incredible resilience. Even with growing tensions in the Middle East, especially the ongoing conflict between Israel and Iran, and with the market eagerly awaiting the Federal Reserve's next interest rate decision, Bitcoin remains steady, trading above $105,000. This behavior further strengthens Bitcoin's narrative as a potential safe haven in times of geopolitical uncertainty, attracting investors who are looking for protection against systemic risks. But what's even more impressive is the massive amount of Bitcoins currently being sold by the miners themselves. Since the end of May, around 30,000 Bitcoins, worth over $3 billion, have been dumped into the market. This large-scale sell-off is putting downward pressure on the price and creating a strong resistance zone around $105.5 thousand. In addition to all this, the U.S. Senate recently passed a new law regulating stablecoins. This step could open the doors for greater institutional acceptance of cryptocurrencies, but the market remains cautious. Even with this positive news, Bitcoin is holding steady, trading around $104,500. This shows that despite regulatory advances, investors are still watching international tensions and monetary policy closely. And speaking of instability, a curious situation unfolded in the Czech Republic. The local government almost collapsed after a scandal involving an untraceable Bitcoin donation made directly to the Ministry of Justice. The crisis was only controlled after the minister responsible resigned, and the Bitcoins, worth approximately $47 million, were sold to prevent further political damage. But not everything is smooth sailing in the crypto world. Major companies like MicroStrategy, Metaplanet, and CleanSpark, known for holding large Bitcoin reserves, are now facing serious questions about the transparency of their audits. Many experts are raising concerns about whether auditors are truly able to verify these reserves, as there's still no clear, reliable public standard for these procedures. This lack of traceability could become a critical issue, especially now that regulation is becoming a central topic of global discussion. Today's big picture makes it clear that Bitcoin remains highly sensitive to major economic and geopolitical decisions. On one hand, it demonstrates strength and stability. On the other, it continues to face selling pressure, regulatory scrutiny, and trust issues. So, what do you think will happen to Bitcoin in the coming days? Are we going to see another rally or more pullbacks ahead? Tell me in the comments. I really want to know your opinion. And of course, if this video helped you in any way, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your crypto friends. That way, you help me keep bringing you fresh news and complete analysis, so you can always stay well informed. I'll see you in the next video.